If you're using a Mac and want to create a short film sequence, what you do, you're going to click on New, Movie, you're going to select No Theme, you're going to give it a name, click OK. You then need to import some of your images that you're going to work with, and you do that by going File, Import Media, and you should be able to find your documents here. I've got mine here prepared, so I'm going to select a few of those images and I'm going to click on Import Selected. That will then bring those images into this area, and you can then select the areas that the images that you want individually, or you could click Shift to select a group, and you can drag them here down onto the timeline. So this is where the actual film is put together. If you want to have a look at those clips, you click on the spacebar. At the moment it's got this effect on it. If you double click on the images, that's that Ken's burn effect that involves movement. If you want to get, you might like that, and if so, that's fine, or you might want to leave that on some of the images. If you want to get rid of it, you click on Fit. Now try that. Yeah, the images are just stationary, so they will transition into exactly the same place each time. Okay, to make your film clip shorter, you just click on the back end of the clip and you just drag it in. Click and drag to reduce the timing. Let's have a look at that. Click this white timeline bar. Click space. Okay, that'll do. So if I want to transition, you click transition down here in the content library, and you need to look for an appropriate sort of effect. I've found the most appropriate sort of effects are puzzle left, puzzle right, because it's sort of based on this sort of horizontal and vertical banding, pushing sort of data out the way. That fits really well with our glitches, so we can just click on those transitions and drag them in between the film clips to give that transition. It's probably not worth putting it in between all of them, but just occasionally a little bit of a transition. That's what we've got so far. Okay, if we want to add some sort of sound effect to that, we can click on sound effects in the content library, and if you go through and have a look at some appropriate sounds that you think might be suitable. Right. Okay, that sounds quite good. So I'm going to drag that down to the timeline, to the beginning of my clip. Just let go of the mouse. So listen to that. Okay, not very long. So listen to another one. Okay, I'm just going to take that same transition, that same sound effect, sorry, and just okay, and that's it. And that's basically how you build up your movie.